श्रीभगवानुवाच भूयैव महाबाहो शृणु मे परमं वचः यत्तेऽहं प्रीयमाणाय वक्ष्यामि हितकाम्यया. In this verse, Lord Krishna speaks to Arjuna. He tells Arjuna, listen again to my supreme words, which I will speak to you because I care for your well-being. Here, Krishna is reassuring Arjuna. He wants to guide Arjuna in the right direction because he loves him and wants to help him make the best decisions. This shows how much Krishna values Arjuna and desires to lead him to a better path. The key message, Krishna shares wisdom to guide and protect those he loves. न मे विदुः सुरगणाः प्रभवन्न महर्षयः अहमादिर्हि देवानां महर्षीणां च सर्वशः. In this verse, Lord Krishna says, neither the gods nor the great sages know my origin. I am the source of all the gods and sages. Krishna is explaining that even powerful beings like gods and sages cannot fully understand his greatness. He existed before them and is the creator of everything. This shows that Krishna is beyond the understanding of even the most knowledgeable beings in the universe. The key message, Krishna is the eternal source of all creation and his power is beyond what anyone, even gods and wise men, can comprehend. यो मामजमनादि च वेत्ति लोकमहेश्वरम् असम्मूढः समर्थेषु सर्वपापैः प्रमुच्यते. In this verse, Lord Krishna says, one who knows me as unborn, without a beginning and the supreme Lord of all worlds, is not confused among humans and is freed from all sins. Krishna is telling Arjuna that understanding his eternal nature, that he was never born and has no beginning, helps a person avoid confusion in life. Those who know Krishna's true nature as the supreme ruler of the universe are freed from all their past mistakes. बुद्धिर्ज्ञानमसम्मोहः क्षमा सत्यं दमः शमः सुखं दुःखं भवो भावो भयं चाभयमेव च. In this verse, Lord Krishna lists different qualities that come from him. He says intelligence, knowledge, freedom from confusion, forgiveness, truth, control over the senses, calmness, happiness, sorrow, birth, death, fear and fearlessness. All these come from him. Krishna is explaining that he is the source of both good and challenging qualities in life. Whether it's wisdom, calmness or even emotions like happiness and fear, everything exists because of him. Ahimsa samata tushtis तपोदानय्यशो यशः भवन्ति भावा भूतानां मत्त एव पृथिग्विधाः. In this verse, Lord Krishna says non-violence, equality, contentment, self-discipline, charity, fame and infamy. All these different qualities among living beings come from me. Krishna explains that both positive qualities like non-violence and charity and challenging ones like fame and infamy are created by me. This shows that he is the source of all diverse traits found in people. Maharshayah sapta purve chatvaro manavasthatha madbhava manasa jata yeshan loka imav prajah. In this verse, Lord Krishna says, the seven great sages, the four ancient Manus and all living beings in the world are born from my mind and power. He is telling Arjuna that the ancient sages and the Manus who rule different ages of creation were all created by him. These beings are responsible for guiding and managing the world. Since they come from Krishna, all life in the universe is connected to him. एतां विभूति योगै च मम यो वेत्ति तत्त्वतः सोऽविकम्पेन योगेन युज्यते नात्र संशयः. In this verse, Lord Krishna says, one who truly understands my divine powers and my yogic abilities is united with unwavering devotion. There is no doubt about this. Krishna explains that if someone fully understands his divine qualities and spiritual powers, they will naturally be connected to him with strong, unshakable devotion. This deep understanding leads to a stable and peaceful mind. अहं सर्वस्य प्रभवो मत्तः सर्वं प्रवर्तते इति मत्वा भजन्ते मां बुधा भावसमन्विताः. In this verse, Lord Krishna says, I am the source of all creation and everything in the world moves because of me. The wise who understand this worship me with deep devotion. Krishna is explaining that he is the origin of everything and all actions and events happen through his will. Those who realize this truth are considered wise and devote themselves to Krishna with love and devotion. मच्चिता मद्गतप्राणा बोधयन्तः परस्परं कथयन्तश्च मां नित्यं तुष्यन्ति च रमन्ति च. In this verse, Lord Krishna says, with their minds focused on me and their lives dedicated to me, my devotees talk to each other about me. They find joy and satisfaction in sharing my stories and teachings. Krishna explains that his true devotees keep him in their hearts and share his wisdom with each other. This brings them happiness and peace as they constantly think about and discuss Krishna's greatness. तेषां सततयुक्तानां भजतां प्रीतिपूर्वकं ददामि बुद्धियोगं तै येन मामुपयान्ति ते. In this verse, Lord Krishna says, to those who are always devoted to me and who worship me with love, I give the understanding by which they can come to me. Krishna is explaining that for his sincere and loving devotees, he provides the wisdom and guidance they need to reach him. Their constant devotion and love help them grow closer to Krishna and understand him better.